Terbaik, let's go. Oke, apa kabar? Ini hari kami punya kerja Pak injin damper 60 ton ya. Wecai injin, wecai. Oke. Ini hari memang tidak sempat kami buka dia punya radiator dulu, lepas tu baru buka dia punya injin. Ini proses sangat lama lah, dalam 4 jam gitu. Tapi memang saya tidak akan rekam bagi 4 jam, saya bagi cepat saja ini video, oke? Ini sekarang ini injin sudah campur air lah. Dia punya injin sudah campur air, oke? Jadi macam grease ya. Jadi kami makanan kepala, oke? Nonton lah. Terbaik, let's go.
Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more will come. Many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot. Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky. Are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Cause nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. Yes, we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot.